go, and then I'm also going to share my screen for you. So my name is Caitlin. I am a member here at the Fulcrum group, and I will be your go-to person for tips and tricks over Microsoft Teams. You can always reach out to me for any questions that you may have over special features, or if there's something that you guys want to discuss, do not hesitate to ask. I'm here to help you and to serve you, so please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Hopefully you can see my screen here. So today we're just going to be going over some tips over video filtering, text formatting, immersive reading, and Teams tabs. So the first feature I want to discuss is the video filtering. So for the filter, I will actually bring over my team so you can see it. And then I'll just kind of show you, since we are active in a video right now. I'll bring you up. You can see right here. So right here for the video filtering. Hey, welcome, Brett. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Hey.
So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the video filtering will be like. So you will want to go to the More Actions icon, press here, and then you can actually turn on or off incoming videos when people pop on, if you don't want them to have the video, or if you guys are having bandwidth issues or needing to maybe help with just the presentation. Maybe you guys have a lot of people in your group and it may be going in and out for some people. If you turn this feature off, if you turn it off, turn off incoming video, it'll allow to have a more smooth stream. If it's a shorter group, I love to see everyone's faces, but that's just a tip for you guys. If you guys are experiencing some type of issue with the bandwidth, by turning off this feature, you'll be able to notice a big difference. There's other features, of course, online too, with showing background effects. I know we kind of viewed that before. And then anything like that, showing meeting notes, and then you can also have live captions. So that is one of the features that I wanted to share with you guys today. The other feature is going to be over formatting. So I love to have the ability to it's almost as if you can write an email. You're going to format it. So you can go into your chat and you can press this icon here at the bottom and format it to where you can have a header. You can actually input tables. So you can insert a table. You can create a table inside there. You can also use bullet points, numbering lists. That way, if you are discussing with your team a project or a strategy, or you need to-dos done, you can also go through here, whether, and I'll kind of show you a little bit what that looks like. So I'm going to go ahead. Oh, and you can also change the color of your texts. So you can have, let's see. I'm going to do this. I'm going to insert a table here. I'm going to have 3 columns, text, comment, concern. And then you can go ahead and do like bullet points in here or number lists, and you can type out everything, game plan, all of that. So you can continue to change the table. You can insert a column or row, delete a column or row, anything like that you can do within Teams, which I really, really enjoy. You can personalize it. You can make it urgent for your people. So if you have a message that you need to get out to your whole team, and it's something that's very, very important, you can either put important and it will notify your team members, or you can do urgent, where anyone within this channel or anyone within this chat will get a repeating reminder every 2 minutes for the next 20 minutes. So 10 times there will be a reminder that, hey, this is urgent, this needs to be taken care of, anything like that, or this needs to be looked at. And then also you have your standard. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that. But you can use anything like that to kind of personalize your message to your team. I also like this feature because if I'm needing product to be sent out, I can go ahead and list all of the products that are going to be sent or that are going to be coming into the office, and just letting everyone know, instead of having to do like a message after message after message, this allows me to create a whole paragraph or a whole table without having multiple messages being sent. There's that. And then another feature that I would love to discuss with you is the Immersive Reader. So this is a new feature that I just started playing with. I'm really, really excited. So in your busy day, you can go through and look for a chat. I know last time we had talked about commands, so I'm just going to do command saved. So I'm going to go to all my saved messages. Let's see, Smart Net was renewed. I can go in here, see this is a really big message. I can do Immerse Reader, and it can bring it up for me. So it will be, this would be something that you could do. Go in here, you can personalize it, making fonts that you want, but you can go ahead and press play and it'll read the whole message for you. So if you're multitasking and you just want to listen to someone's message, you can, and it'll view it for you. Perfect. So that is that as well. For those who have customers or clients or even team members who speak a different language, you can also use that to translate. And I'll show you that feature as well. So I'll go back to our chat. Let's see. Chat here. I have here, I'm going to go to translate. I can translate. Immerse Reader. Can go in here. And I can choose a language. So I can choose the language that I want it to translate to. So for anyone who has multiple or bilingual clients or team members, you can always use this feature for communication. Perfect. And then the next feature that I would love to discuss, our actual last feature, is Teams tabs. So I'm going to spend a little bit extra time on this one. Teams tabs I really enjoy using in channels or chats. If there is something that you would like to add to the conversation, whether it's an app or anything in regards to an Excel spreadsheet or a PowerPoint or any type of notes in OneNote, you can always attach this to your chat or channel. It always gives availability to your team members to go back and reference it very quickly. So to show you what that looks like, you can go to your teams, and in your teams, I'm just going to go to a chat that I have. So I'm going to do lunch buddies. So say that I'm ordering everyone's food. I can go in here, I can add a tab, I can add a website. So I can add what we're eating today, and then everyone can take a look to kind of see what that looks like. I have added on to our weekly win. Let me go to my teams, my weekly win channel, and then up here you can see our blog. So I have attached our blog to our weekly wins. That way we can also stay updated with everything that is going on in our company, and also everyone has access to this. So just going in and looking at everything that is alive for us in our blog. Quick, easy read that we can just hop on over to the tab section that says blog. So if you are to add a tab, you can just continue to add, and you can add as many apps as you like. So whether it is a YouTube channel or any type of notes, OneNote, forms. So if there's a form that you guys constantly use, you can attach to the chat or team. If there's an Excel spreadsheet that you guys all work from, easy access. Instead of having to go into your folders, you can just add this tab to your chat or team section, and you can go ahead and just work through that with your team. And also anything else that you guys find useful for your team. Again, to add apps, you can go to the App Store and it will give you a description of what the apps are used for. But that's how you would add an app to your channel or chat for easy access to anything that you use on a daily basis or anything like that. I find it very beneficial, so everyone in the team can just easy access to it, easy peasy. Perfect. Also, so there is one thing for adding tabs to different channels and stuff. So what I have found out is that for any meeting that we have, you can add anything, but it wouldn't be a tab up here. It would actually be down here. So you can add your app down here, so it's easy access for your team meeting. So if there is like a channel, like for us, our bi-weekly, I know we always post our YouTube channel. You can always go here, Fulcrum group, YouTube, and it will actually populate all of our tips and tricks that we've done thus far. So that's super easy too. You can click on it and it'll send you directly to the YouTube channel. Are there any questions that you guys may have, or are there any features that you guys would like to if there's any features that you guys would like to discuss next time? I definitely want to use this time to have kind of an open forum for you. And of course, at any time, if something happens throughout the week and you guys want to discuss something on the next training, you can always email me, and I'll put my email in our chat too, so you guys have that available for you. Awesome. Well, again, I'm very, very blessed that you guys joined me today. I'm really, really excited about what we went over. I will also post this chat to our YouTube channel. That way we can reference it again. And of course, between now and then, if you guys have any questions, please, please, please feel free to reach out to me. I am a resource for you always. So I really appreciate your time today. I'm going to give you guys 15 minutes more back in your day. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. And I hope that you guys have a marvelous rest of your week. Thank you guys so much.